Hi everyone, we are excited to show how the new real-time sync in the sync settings feature works. It is very easy. Go to account settings, then go to sync settings. Here we will see the real-time sync feature at the bottom of the page, after the default overnight sync and the specific sync slots. It is important to know that real-time sync works together with your existing sync schedule. In this demo account, we set up extra sync slots, so real-time sync will work with these and will not remove or override them. We can keep our custom syncs while adding real-time capabilities. To enable real-time sync, just turn the toggle on. One important thing to remember is that if the account does not have any listing connected to an eligible PMS, we will not see real-time sync. Having at least one listing connected to an eligible PMS is required to enable real-time sync. Once we toggle it on, we will see different options to enable this feature. We can enable it for all listings or room types. We can hand-pick the listings where we want to enable this. Only the listings with the sync toggle on and connected to a PMS that supports real-time sync will appear here. Or we can select groups where we want real-time sync enabled. If any group has listings that are not connected to an eligible PMS, those listings will not be updated. So in this case, let's choose all room types. Then we just need to save our settings and this will be updated. One more thing to note is that for advanced and enterprise plans, real-time sync is included at no extra cost. For legacy and essential plans, it is available as a premium add-on at just $2 per unit per month. Now that real-time sync has been enabled, we want to walk you through a live example. Let's see how it works in action. We will create a new reservation in the PMS and see how it reaches PriceLabs right away. Let's take this standard king room as an example. So let's create a new reservation for this weekend. For example, we will pick the standard king room. As just mentioned, let's insert the guest details. And the booking has been created. If we go back to the multi-calendar and check this standard king room, we will see in the booking insights that the booking we just created has reached PriceLabs. Here it is, from November 28th until November 30th. This new booking will trigger a price adjustment plus a sync to the PMS in about 60 minutes. If a new booking event comes in within the next 60 minutes, it will also be included for price recalculations and added to the current sync queue. For example, if multi-room occupancy-based adjustment or POBA customization is enabled either at a group level or at a listing level for this room type, instead of adjusting prices based on only one booking, we will adjust based on the occupancy rate given by the two new bookings. That's it. It's as simple as that.